We have a lot of challenges to be solved in Brazil in order to promote the development of Brazilian industry and the whole society. We have challenges related to human resources, we have challenges related to infrastructure, we have challenges related to the environment for doing business. What we see as challenge for the next industrial revolution is a mix of these items. We need to promote awareness of Brazilian companies to the relevance of Industry 4.0, to the impacts that the digital revolution will have in productivity, in new business models, and in the whole development of the industry and sectors and also the agribusiness. And we need to do a lot of measures in order to increase the economic environment of Brazil.